ऑडियो shorthand.com में आपका स्वागत है। 5 seconds. Start. Mid-term elections were held in Kerala, as the House knows, on the 4th March 1985, because we did not want that the President's rule should continue further and that a democratic setup with a state legislature should be there in Kerala, so that the people of Kerala themselves can again have their own legislature. As the House knows, according to the results announced, no party secured an absolute majority by itself, and no party was in a position to form a government. Out of 133, the party which had the majority votes was the Left Communists, numbering 40. The next party having the greatest number was Congress with 36. The third was Kerala Congress with 23. Now, out of a total number of 133, the Left Communists had only 40 seats, out of whom 29 were at that time under detention. We therefore explored all avenues likely to lead the formation of a stable government. The governor had been in touch with the various party leaders. From March 8 to March 16, he held detailed consultations with the leaders of the Communist Party, the Indian National Congress, the Kerala Congress, the SSP, and the Muslim League. The governor did not seek the views of the Right Communist Party of India, as they had secured only 3 seats out of a total of 113. The position that emerged from these consultations briefly was that although it was possible for him to negotiate with the various groups and individual legislatures and evolve the basis on which a non-Congress government could be formed, the leaders of Kerala Congress and Muslim League made it clear to the governor that they would not join or support any ministry that might be formed or sponsored by the communists. The two major parties, Kerala Congress and Muslim League, said they would neither support nor join the communist government. Therefore, they could not work with the support of these two. So far as the Congress was concerned, its attitude was that it would act as a constitutional opposition to whatever government might be formed, supporting it only to the extent that its policies were in line with those of the Congress but not otherwise. Therefore, that ministry could not expect support from the Congress party. Thank you.